I forgot we friends on Facebook. How weird is that? Hey guys. I look like a drunkard. Oh my god, look at my eyes.
Baby shake it, why did I forget? That song stuck in my head, fucking bitch. Oh, that song stuck in my head. That song stuck. No, I got that song stuck in my head.
Say hey. A lot of Somali people are watching. Do you know the country I'm from?
Yes, West Africa?
No, East Africa.
Oh, East Africa.
Yeah, I'm from Somalia. Like
East Africa.
we have the most beautiful women. I think we're the most beautiful people in the world.
I'm sorry, but Berlin, Germany, that's where I'm from. We have the most beautiful women in the world.
Hell no, who's beautiful? Guys, I'm talking to my Somali people. Somali are very beautiful. Like, we are amazing.
Everybody's beautiful, okay?
Nah, my people are the most beautiful.
My people is most beautiful.
No.
Quit playing. Today's topic. You say today's topic.
Today's topic is about beauty. Yes. You know, like most of my followers are Somali people. They're from my country. I don't like them because they're very judgmental people.
See,
they
that's
judge.
what I'm saying. Like Germany is not judgmental.
Yeah, they judge you, but Somali people are people that would be there for you. They would help you. Like we're the type of people that when we have a problem, we come together and we help each other. Let's say something happens to me today here in Alana, and Somali people will come and they will collect money. Let's say I am sick, maybe I don't have an insurance. They'll pay for everything. They will take care of me. Like literally, people will come and cook food for me.
But
they will sleep over. Like there's that, amazing union that we have.
Some real ass shit though. Online. If you getting beat up by your boyfriend, would they help?
Yes, they would. But most of the times, like, I don't like to share like my problems with a lot of people. They would. Like, let's say somebody beat me up today.
Because I will pull out with a gun.
You see, that's why I don't want you to get a gun. Like in my culture, like if somebody beats me up, let's say it's right here.
Yeah, I know.
If somebody beats me up, let's say you beat me up and you're Somali, your family would collect money and come to my family. Let's say you took a tooth out of me or something got broken. They'll try to pay for that. The damage that you caused. Yes, I love that about my culture, but they're very judgmental, man. They judge a lot. They do the same thing you do. That's the only problem I have with you people.
Stop being judgmental, everybody. Everybody want peace. Peace, love, and harmony.
Exactly. Stop judging people, and I'm defending them because they're my people. I'm one of them. So if I say shit about you guys, just know I'm saying shit about myself.
Facts.
Yeah, it's a beautiful fucking day, and my hair is wet. I'm yelling, guys. You can see I'm not gonna cut my hair again. So have a good time. I love you guys. I know Somali that walan. I'm gonna teach you Somali. Can you say Somali?
Somali?
Wadwalan tihin.
What?
Say wad.
What?
Say wad.
Wad?
Wa.
Wa.
Lan.
La.
Tihin.
Tihin.
Wadwalan tihin.
Wa. La. Tihin.
Yeah.
What does that mean? What did I just say?
You're crazy.
What? You crazy?
No, not you. I'm saying the Somali people. You told them, you Somalis are crazy people.
Yes. You Somalis are crazy people.
Crazy, but crazy in a good way, maybe. I'm gonna teach you something else. Okay. Oh my God, my ass is popping with this pants.
reflection in the mirror.
I'm gonna tell you something else. Tell them one
Even
Shalahai.
Shalahai.
Yeah, I love you guys.
I love you guys.
That's what it means.
One
Even
Shalahai.
Shalahai. Cha. You have to say one even Shalahai. You have to put the
one even Shalahai.
Yeah. Motherfuckers, it's a beautiful day, so thanks for watching. We're really tired and we need some food and hookah.
Yes.
Is there anything you want to tell these motherfuckers?
Have a blessed day, positive and productive day. Go out and work and don't be lazy.
Yeah. Bye.